How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to manage your TikTok privacy settings. Now this is just super quick and simple, so make sure to follow the steps as I show you. Now first things first, let's head on to your TikTok application. Now once you're on TikTok, go to your profile icon right here to go to your profile. Now once you're in profile, go to the three lines to access your settings and privacy, and click on settings and privacy right here. Now once you're in settings and privacy, go to privacy right here. So these are your settings privacy or your privacy settings. I'm gonna go by it one by one. So private account, if you want your account to be private, just toggle this on or toggle it off if you don't want to. And activity status, so when this is turned on, you and the followers you follow back will see each other's activity status. So if you don't want that, just click this on, or if you don't, just click this off again. So under comments right here, so click on comments right here. So choose who can comment on your videos and stories. So followers that you follow back can only comment this, or no one can comment on your videos and stories. So it's all about preferences though. Now mentions and tags. So choose who can tag you in their videos, just click on that. If you don't want anyone to tag you, just click on no one, or people you follow or followers that you follow back. So it's all about preference again. And mentions, just click on this again. So right here, who can mention you in their description, stickers and comments. So it's up to you right here. And direct messages, so who can send you messages, just click on everyone right here. If you want, everyone can send you messages, or no one can send you messages right here. And duet, now click on duet. So since your account is private, other people can't do it with your videos. So if you want other people can do it with your videos, just go back to your settings right here and toggle off the private account right here. And stickers, so who can create stickers with your video? So again, it's all about preferences. So you can click on only me if you don't want anyone to create stickers with your videos, or followers that you only follow. So I guess that's it for this video, everyone, and if you find this helpful, be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!